going on, everybody? Welcome back, if so, to another market update video here at Benefits Central. I'm Benjamin, and today Bitcoin in the S&P charts. Before I get right into the market, please leave a like, drop a comment, and if you could subscribe, I'd greatly appreciate it. Everybody, Bitcoin did jump. We did break out of that symmetrical triangle from our previous video that we stated, and we hit a high of 22,500. That was some great profits, a great trade that we did take on that. But looking at what is happening now, we did get rejected off of the 22,500. There is a wick around here, I believe around 22.6 or 7. Nope, it's 22,800. So TP would have been that wick, so we didn't get all the way up there, but we did get to the halfway mark of 22,500, so that is good. We are looking to close above today for another entry inside the market, inside Bitcoin. All we really do, because of how we bounced, all we really need to do is close above 22 towards 23, and that would show that the markets are ready to continue to push forward above this neckline that we're at this double bottom right here that we have. Looking in on the 4-hour, you can see closer at the double bottom I'm talking about, formed from the 21,100 level. But beating this right here, I currently entered another trade, just a quick trade, trying to beat this level here around 2200. But real quick, just wanted to show you guys this double bottom that we broke out of that we were talking about, as well as correlating in the S&P 500, which I'm going to show in a few seconds. Looking in on the hourly though, just wanted to show you guys a bit more in detail on how I trade real quick. I got in going through 21,143 because of the RBI, as well as this being a neckline of the W that we formed, the double bottom, and finally taking TP, take profits, and then seeing where we could bounce. I haven't done anything off the bounce yet, looking to do something here, see what's going on there. But jumping into the S&P 500 real quick, looking in on our daily, we jumped as well. We had this is probably what is pushing the markets realistically forward, the crypto markets. But we should see some resistance off of 39.47. Our blue indicator is right above it. We could see a wick above and then a close below. Depending on what we do with that, we could see Bitcoin decide to come back and rest a bit. Reason probably why we hit 22,500 and are deciding to come back down, as well as being overbought on the RSI. The S&P so far isn't anywhere really near overbought, so we'd need to probably break through this. If we could get enough momentum and volume inside the markets, we could get enough volume here, break through this, and we could see a trend start to, a pattern right here with another triangle start to form here, which would be totally fine for the markets. Even if we wouldn't end up forming a triangle or a pattern, we could just consolidate here for the markets, would reset the RSI and bring us back into some open positions to get into the markets. But as well as this, I wanted to show a few more W's that I've traded, as well as a good recognition on what they look like. But this is right here. It's just two closing rejections off of a price point. Realistically, it's a perfect W. This could be considered a double bottom as well. Just a few patterns that I trade. There was another one here I showed you guys in the smaller time frames. Right here earlier in the previous video that we had, there was another W and another W here that we traded. Looking in on the weekly for the S&P 500, we are forming an RBI from those double bottoms, from this double bottom, the second one that I showed, that we formed. If we could get enough momentum through this, that would give us enough push to get through that 39.47. This is a great pattern forming right here, as long as we don't fail on the weekly. I believe today is Friday, July 8th. So we should have tomorrow and a bit of Sunday before we can see this how we close. So we have 2 days. But looking, that could be enough momentum to push Bitcoin on the weeklies. on our RBI as well that we're trying to form here. The only resistance that we have realistically is our 200, like we said in the previous video. But as long as the S&P and Bitcoin have this, and we're able to get enough volume inside the charts, inside the markets, we should be able to break past any kind of short-term resistance and close above it, pushing more momentum into the markets, pushing us forward. Other than that, everybody, that was another quick market update video for you guys. If you could, leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.